So this is US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Thursday, 30th of August. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we had prices break above the 111 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. We've tested the 111 for a couple of times here on the US dollar Japanese yen. Sorely a breakaway, brief pullback, breakaway, brief pullback, short sharp acceleration momentum here to the upside, taking us above the 1160. We've had a pullback towards that 1160. We're testing it, and we do appear to be holding at present. So if we do continue to hold that 1160 here on the US dollar Japanese yen, the very next levels of load here to the upside are as follows. So if we do continue to hold this 1160, looking for a move up towards that 1215 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. If we are successful in breaking and holding beyond the 1215, then look at the price out towards 1252, successful break from which we then possibly looking at far end of range being around at 1277 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. If, however, we do see a turnaround and we do break down from the 1160, we are looking for a move back down towards that 111, a very well established level of support. We've tested on a few occasions, it has held before seeing this continuation, and if we do fail to hold support at the 111, should be aware of this area of confluence sitting slightly below the 111, where we do have the 200 400 period moving averages, which could act as a dynamic level of support. But if we do fail to find support there, the very next level of note, horizontal level of note, is a move, of course, down towards a 1073. And if there is sufficient volatility in the coming days or so, may even see a move down towards a 1020. If we do see a bit of a reversal of this previous move here to the upside, if we do see a complete reversal, we're looking for a move back down towards that 1020 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart and see how prices are developing. So here on the daily chart of the US dollar Japanese yen, we do have a highs, we have lower highs, we had lower highs still, broke above, well, I suppose it wasn't even a lower high in this case, it was merely a pullback. So we had a series of lower highs, so we had a highs, lower highs, lower highs. We've had price come down to test this 200 period moving average in around at 109.80. And from testing that 200 period average, we saw pretty strong bullish buy side momentum take us back above the 1020, show a sharp acceleration here to the upside, taking us beyond the 111. We've had a pullback towards our 111, testing on a couple of occasions, weren't able to break down from the 111, so formed a bit of a flag here on the daily chart. So subsequent, and we have seen a subsequent break to the upside and further continuation here on the US dollar Japanese yen. And currently we're above that 1160, the very next level of note. So from a daily chart perspective, we are looking for 1215, previous our second, well, our lower high here, our first lower high, because we have a high, our lower high there. So we're looking around at 1215. If we can break from there, may even from a daily chart perspective see a retest of that 113.04 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.